Good afternoon. We are here at the house of Mr. Garrepally to replace a damaged shingle for Liberty Mutual. In order to do so, we must remove the nails from the shingles above. This is the scope of work. Let me walk around so you can see. I am on Mr. Garrepally's roof. Perfect. Let us begin the repair. Again, we'll be short. It will not lift the shingle more than 45 degrees. Minimum manage using the snake approved tool. Just took out the shingle. It's already cracked. So you can see this is a fail already. We'll continue though. And just to show you up close, you can see that it's cracked right there just by removing the nail. That's the removed shingle. Very steep pitch here. As you can see, there's plenty of wind damage on this roof. I mean, as you can see, we've not even put the nails back in yet, and there's clear cracking of shingles. So this has already failed, but we will complete the repair. Alright, as you can see, this says clearly fail. This attempt is a fail. Got cracked shingles here, 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 clearly there. And I did show you the underneath when I took out the shingles earlier. So let's take a close look. What starts is that domino effect, confirming that the roof is not repairable. We will send this into Liberty. And just to show you a glance of the roof and the wind damage, there's plenty of wind damage on the roof, also on the back side as well. Several missing shingles blown off. All right, thank you. Have a great day.